Hi guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing of my latest AirPods Pro with wireless charging case. So this is the box. It's brand new. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. So there's this arrow indicating that we need to pull it this way to do the unboxing. So let's get started. Okay, the polythene cover just peels off without any trouble. And here's the box, and by experience I know that with Apple products the box just comes off like this. And inside we have all these documents as usual: the warranty cards, the user manual. The user manual has all the instructions how to use this with your iPhone or the iPad Apple devices. And here's the warranty card and everything. And here is the AirPods. Let's get it out. And inside we have the earpieces, this part, and here's the cable. Let's take out the AirPods. The cover is like this. And here's the charging port. The LED starts blinking. You can see the AirPods. So let's put them back. So that's it for this unboxing video. It was a short video. There wasn't much for me to show you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video.